With the Philippine Air Force attack helicopter acquisition project already moving and the PAF's TWG already evaluating possible candidates, it appears that we missed one that was also looked into by the said TWG team, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Rudra Light Combat Helicopter. HAL Rudra Light Attack Helicopter is an attack helicopter manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL for the Indian Army. It is the Weapons System Integrated WSIMKIV variant of the Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter ALH. Rudra is the first armed helicopter being produced indigenously in India. The HAL Rudra helicopter can be deployed in wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, troop transport, anti-tank warfare and close air support. HAL was contracted to deliver about 76 Rudra ALH-MKIV helicopters for the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. The Indian Army plans to equip its Army Aviation Corps with 60 helicopters, forming 6 squadrons. HAL handed over the first HAL Rudra Light Attack Helicopter to the Indian Army in February 2013. It also appears that, based on our information, the Indian government may have already made some feelers with the AFP, as they are supporting HAL in marketing its products to the Philippine market.